Hi everybody. In this lecture, we are going to discuss particle in three-dimensional box and degeneracy of energy levels. In the last lecture, already we have discussed the particle in one-dimensional box as well as particle in a two-dimensional box. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the two concepts. The first one is the particle in three-dimensional box and the second one is the degeneracy of energy level. Let us consider one by one. First of all, let us discuss the particle in three-dimensional box. So, here consider a microscopic particle and here the microscopic particle is the electron which mass is m. So, here the microscopic particle of mass m moving in three-dimensional rectangular potential box having the sides A, B and C in the length along the x, y, z axis respectively. So, here the potential energy of the particle is 0 within the box V is equal to 0. Already we have discussed this and here it is infinity everywhere outside the box. So, here let us consider the diagram, that is a particle in three-dimensional box. So, here the movement of the particle within the three-dimensional rectangular box. So, this is the diagram. So, here this is the particle inside the box. The potential energy V it is equal to 0 and here the outside the box it is a infinity, that is V is equal to infinity, here V is equal to infinity. So, outside the box the potential energy it is equal to 0, while inside the box it is outside the box it is equal to infinity and here the inside the box it is equal to 0. So, this is the particle. Then here this is the side, this distance is A along the x axis, this is the B and while this is the C. So, here this is the movement of particle within the three-dimensional rectangular box. So, here for three-dimensional, the Schrodinger equation for the system it is given by the equation that is a d square psi by dx square, then d square psi by dy square plus d square psi by dz square plus 8 pi square m divided by s square into E psi is equal to 0. This is the Schrodinger equation for the three-dimensional box. Then let us consider the boundary condition that is a 0 is less than equal to x and here the x is less than equal to a. This is the first boundary condition. Then the second one is 0 is less than and equal to y and y is less than equal to b. This is the second boundary condition and the third one is 0 is less than equal to z and z is less than equal to z. So, these are the three boundary condition for the particle in three-dimensional box. So, here along with the boundary condition, so these are the three equations for the psi. Then here after solving the equation, that is the Schrodinger equation, the solution are obtained and here the solution is that is a psi nx, ny, nz, because particle in the three-dimensional box is equal to 8 upon ABC bracket raised to 1 half into sine of nx into pi x divided by a into sine of here ny into pi y divided by b into sine nz into pi z divided by c, where nx is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, ny is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, nz is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Then here the expression for the energy for the three-dimensional box that is a E nx, ny and nz is equal to h square divided by 8 ma in bracket nx square divided by a square plus ny square divided by b square plus nz square divided by c square. So, this is the expression for the energy. So, friend, this is about the particle in three-dimensional box. So, let us consider the next concept that is a degeneracy of the energy level. So, first of all we are going to discuss the meaning of the degeneracy. What is my degeneracy? So, here for every eigenfunction that is a well behaved function, there must be corresponding eigenvalue, that is the energy value. It means that each energy state of the system must have the wave function which will be characteristics of the system. Thus, if for two different wave functions psi the same value of the energy is obtained, these two states of different size we'll call as the degenerate state. So, here friends, if for two different wave functions psi, the same value of the energy is obtained, these two sets of the different psi will be called as the degenerate state. In other words, among the various stationary state, it may happen that some of them correspond to the same energy eigenvalue, but differ in the value of the sum of other physical quantities. Such energy eigenvalues or energy level of the systems are said to be degenerate, and here it means that a degenerate state of the system would be energetically identical. So, here the energy state having more than one wave function for the same value of energy is called as the degenerate state, and the phenomenon it is called as the degeneracy. So, this is the definition of the degeneracy. So, here the energy of the particle in rectangular box having the sides A, B, C in length is given by. So, here the again the expression for the energy, that is E n x, E n y, E n z, or here E n x n y n z is equal to h square divided by 8 m a in bracket n x square by a square plus n y square by b square plus n z square by c square. This is the equation number 1. But here if the box is cube, and here in the for the cubic system or for the cubic box, the three sides are equal, that is A is equal to B is equal to C, then the equation 1 can be written as, that is E n x E n y E n z, or the E n x n y n z is equal to s square divided by 8 m a square in bracket n x square plus n y square plus n z square. This is the equation number 2, where in this equation this A, it is the length of the side of the cubical box. So, here this is the equation number 2. Then here in the equation 2, the quantum number n x, n y, n z are all integrals which can assume the value, or which can consider the value, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, but never a 0 or the fractional value. That is all of you know that already we have discussed this thing, that is a n x, n y, n z, these are the quantum number, and here the quantum number they have the integral value, their values are not equal to 0, or their values are not equal to the fractional values. Hence, the lowest energy level, that is the energy state, is that for which n x square is equal to n y square is equal to n z square is equal to 1. Here the recall that n is equal to 0 is not permissible, and here the value of the n x square, n y square, n z square, they are all equal to 1. So, for this level or for this energy level, or it is given by the equation, that is a E111 is equal to h square divided by 8 m a square in bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1, and here E111 is equal to 3 s square divided by 8 m a square. So, here this is the equation number 3. So, here the energy state, it is denoted by symbol 3111, and it is equal to 3 s square divided by 8 m a square. The second energy level will be obtained when the two of the three quantum numbers, that is n x, n y, n z are 1, and the third one is the 2. Therefore, the three possibilities for the n x, n y, z set exist, and these are given in these possibilities are given in the table. So, here the set, value of the n x, value of the n y, value of the n z, and here the expression for the energy. So, there are three sets, set 1, set 2, set 3. So, here set 1 is 2, 1, 1, that is the h square divided by 8 m a square. So, here the n x square, that means the 2 square, then n y square, that means 1 square, and n z square, that is the 1 square. So, 2 square, that is a 4, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 5 plus 1, that is a 6. So, expression for the energy is 6 s square divided by 8 m a square. So, this is the set first. Similar way we can write the set second, that is 1, 2, 1, and here the expression for the energy, finally it is the same expression, that is a 6 s square divided by 8 m a square. And let us consider the third set, that is the value of the n x is 1, value of the n y is 1, and value of the n z is 2. So, 1, 1, 2. So, h square divided by 8 m a square is equal to h square divided by 8 m a square into 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, it is equal to 6 h square divided by 8 m a square. All these three energy values are the same. So, here the each set corresponding to an independent energy state. Thus, there are three independent states having the same energy, and that is a 6 h square divided by 8 m a square. Such an energy level is said to be degenerate. Since the number of independent state in this energy level, it is the 3, and this energy level, it is called as a triply degenerate, that is the degeneracy of the energy level is the 3, and the states are designated as E211. So, here the 211, that is why here the E211, then here the 121, E121, and the last one is 112. So, here the E112. So, these are the degeneracy, or these are the states of the uh, degeneracy of the energy level, and they are designated as the E211, E121 and E112. Then let us consider the third energy level is obtained when the two of the three quantum numbers are 2 and the third one is 1. So, here there will be again three sets of the this given quantum numbers. So, here this is the first set, that is a 2 2 1. So, here h square divided by 8 m square in bracket 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that is a 2 square 4. So, here again 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is a 9 h square divided by 8 m square. This is the set first, and here this is the value of the energy. Let us consider the set second, that is a 2 1 2. Again here it is equal to 9 h square divided by 8 m square, and the third set, that is 1 2 2, and here the expression for the energy are, it is a 9 h square divided by 8 m square. These three values are the same. So, here there are three independent states, each having the energy equal to the 9 h square divided by 8 m square. Hence, third energy level, it is a triply degenerate, and the three states of the third energy levels, they are designated as, this is the E221. So, here the 22 E221, second one is the E212, and third one is the E122. So, here these are the three states, and they are designated as the E221, E212 and E122. So, friends, this is about the degeneracy of the energy level. So, let us find out the degeneracy of the levels for which the total energy of the particle is in a box. It is given here, the three examples are given. So, number one is the energy is 11x, second one is the 14x, and third one is the 21x, where x is the energy spacing factor. So, let us consider one by one. 11x, so this can be written as 11 s square divided by 8 m square. So, here nx square plus ny square plus nz square into s square divided by 8 m square. So, here this can be written as 1 square plus 1 square plus 3 square, that is a 1 plus 1 plus 9, it is equal to 11, and here we can write the three sets, that is a 3 1 1, then set second is the 1 3 1, and set 3 is the 1 1 3. So, here the states are designated as the E311. So, E311, the second set is the or it is a E131, and here the third one is the E113. So, here the threefold degeneratable, that is the degeneracy is 3. So, here the 1 2 and the 3. So, this is about 11x. Then let us consider the second example, that is the 14x. So, this can be written as 14 s square divided by 8 m square. So, here nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So, here their summation, it should be equal to 14. So, here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is a 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 14. So, here the 14 s square divided by 8 m square, and here there are 6 sets. So, here the set 1 is 1 2 3, then set 2 is the 2 1 3, third set is 3 1 2, then fourth one is the 1 3 2, then set 5 is 2 3 1, and the set 6 is 3 2 1. So, here the energy states are designated as E123, E213, E312, E132, E231 and E321. So, here the six-fold degenerate level, and here the degeneracy is 6. So, this is about the 14x. Then let us consider the last example, that is number 3 here, that is a 21x, and it can be written as 21 s square divided by 8 m square. So, again nx square plus ny square plus nz square into s square divided by 8 m square. So, here this can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 4 square, that is a 1 plus 4 plus 16, that is equal to 21. Again there are these three numbers are different, that is a 1 2 4, these three quantum numbers are different, that is why there are 6 sets. So, here the set first is 4 2 1, set second is 2 4 1, set 3 is 1 2 4, set 4 is 2 1 4, set 5 is 412 and here the set 6 is 142. So, here these energy states are designated as, that is a E421, E241, E124, E214, E412 and E142. So, here the 6-fold degenerate level, that is the degeneracy is 6. So, friends, in this lecture we have discussed the particle in 3-dimensional box as well as the degeneracy of the energy level. Thank you.